heavy duty stuff on it, but it's more expensive.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it was
It's
gonna
cheap.
So
To a Carter.
yeah, that exactly. He told me. He said I waited for Caleb by the time he get his own system. I want to come back head suspensions.
Oh, they'll be here in a couple weeks.
Yeah, he said I waited for him. He said we want to start making my trailer for all these products. I said okay. I mean, but that's the problem. This is the main problem for all those trailer like the Bender trailer like that, because I mean,
You're putting all the weight on.
just in the back axle all the time. I mean, because I see the trailer.
But you said the front axle's the one that broke?
It's the front one that breaks every time.
Yeah, but
And
then
the reason
you
why
just
it's
push it
breaking,
like this.
the reason why it's breaking is that front axle when he turned, he's catching it on a curb or something, and it's just pushing it back just enough, and it snaps that keeper every time, that adjuster or whatever you call it.
Oh, so it just goes back to can't drive.
Yeah, I think it goes back to operator. It does.
I mean, but
and
this time,
and sometimes it's not just operator. Sometimes it's the situation you're in and the tightness I get in.
But this time, okay, that's the operator.
Yeah, no, this is definitely the operator. I called him. I was like, "Hey, what'd you hit, bro?" And he's like, "I didn't hit nothing in the trailer." I said, "You hit something in the trailer. It's riding sideways again." I said, "I got to the house and I let him look. And I seen the adjusters broke." And he's like, "Oh, I didn't hit nothing. You hit something."
See, what are you talking yesterday? Where the people don't want to say the truth. What's going on? When I ask them, why did you do that?
Exactly.
So you think we ought to throw another adjuster on there for now, or? And then,
I mean,
Yeah.
well, yeah, because if not, we'd have to cut off the whole spring pad and rebuild a new spring
Yeah.
pad. Or we can put an adjuster on there, and he has a welding machine in the back of his truck right there. He can tack it real quick.
Can you do that for me real quick? I was supposed to be in Houston. I was supposed to be in Congo getting loaded at 7:15, excuse me. So that didn't work out. So they know I'm running late. But
Yeah, this is the only thing we can do.
okay. You need to back it down in the slide, or?
Well, if he had a spot, because I got the guy right there. Ready.
I mean,
He's pushing back again.
he's good right there, huh?
He says it out in the
It's on this one, drop the side.
left side, where we put the trailer outside.
I can drop the trailer. I can drop the axle. I can drop the trailer. Lift the axle off.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
All right, so today we're just replacing an adjuster on this tilt trailer. Tilt trailers seem to have a problem with the spring pad adjusters. I don't know if it's because whenever they're raising up the trailer, they're putting all that weight on one axle, causing it to break. But we're just gonna replace the little adjuster, the little slide bar on the spring pad real quick for my buddy Robbie.
Yeah, the axle itself. Want me to drop it down and lift it up? We just filled them all up the other day. Does that work good?
Watch that. Oh yeah.
Looks brand new.
Okay, sir. What tools do we need for this job to replace the adjuster?
We're gonna use like a 1 and 1/8.
1 1/8 socket, deep.
And this silencer, I don't know. You say anything, but size.
This is a super silencer.
Super size.
This is the size. If you can read Chinese,
I can.
I think it's one.
It's not a 1, bro.
It's 24 millimeter. 24 millimeter.
So this be like a.
It's about the right size.
17, 16. Something like that. Oh, I said you don't have another one shorter.
24 millimeter, sir. I gave you all my sockets 2 years ago. We put them in a clear bin. We put them in a clear bin. And we gave them to you. I don't know where you put them.
Come on.
Yeah.
Hey.
What?
Dun, dun, dun.
What?
Somebody. Oh no. Look.
That is a bigger one. That's a 1 1/16.
Oh yeah, that's not that one. Okay.
Okay, so we're replacing that adjuster. That's just your adjustable spring pad slider adjuster. 77-017 is the part number. People break them sometimes. Okay, so we got this tilt trailer. Chewy's on the tilt trailer.
Oh, this one is a little bit different. The trailer, one of the features. The other one, the Ryan's doing it. I mean, it's flush to the top of this one. This one got in the extra 3 inches in the top. That's where the axle. I mean, the tire hit him hand in the frame.
Yeah.
No weird design, but actually, those things loose, bro.
Huh?
Well, because heavy because it's moving the freaking. Look.
Hey, come here. That might be why too. So your U-bolts are loose, so that might be another reason why.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh shit, that one in a good.
Trailer parts.
Yes, do y'all accept Walmart to buy products?
Say that again? Yes, we do. Yes, sir. Right beside the private truck stop. Okay, we got plenty. Got a computer socket?
Don't think I do. What's that socket?
One and one. What is that? So yes, the U-bolts were loose, so that could be one reason why the adjuster broke. But it's probably more due to just hitting things and tension from this tilt trailer. Because as you can see, when it tilts back, all the weight goes on the back up. I think we can put it up higher. That's it? Oh.
Out here, all the hot rods.
Go ask Danilo if he has a shorter one. Yeah. Just one for the KK U-bolts. This is all the way up, huh?
Let me get this up. Right now, we need to go down, bro.
Go down, down.
Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, bro. I will show you. We need to push the axle.
Toward you?
Yeah. Because it's, hey, hold on. Let me put this over there.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me line up. Hey, that's good.
We still have a piece of gold in there.
So how are you going to adjust it?
Set it up on it.
Huh?
I'm going to set it up as well. Okay, that one.
Eyeballing it?
Well, it's tight already. Use this one much. Hold on. Let's put the público.
Yes, it left.
You got your machines already on.
Huh?
You got the machine already on.
What machine?
The other machine you see here?
Oh. It sounds like a lawnmower.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, because the axle is holding on it.
Oh, it's still
It's
on,
waiting to go.
Yeah. Hold on, we need to get the axle pushed this way. Push it a little bit more.
Do you?
Yeah. It doesn't move it, huh?
Yeah, right. Oh, wait, it's
Very low.
moving. Yeah.
You move it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
He's holding it.
Yeah, I need to tie the thing on it. Definitely we need the wrench. Just leave it like that, bro. Let me go get the wrench for that.
I find a guy that services that area.
What are you talking about? To do what?
Call any locksmith around there. Nobody in this area goes that far. So I'm probably come here to have to do it.
Are you a locksmith?
Oh, what do they need?
The Range Rover. I can't get inside that Range Rover. Oh, I'm talking to Bobby Davis.
So,
Yeah.
so don't just think I'm sitting on my fucking hands because I'm not. I'm fucking trying my best.
Okay. That's one.
But yeah.
If not, like I said, I'll throw the fucking thing down here and somebody will come to the shop again.
Okay. That's right there.
Okay, I'll put it back underneath your trailer.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Ahorita sí lo voy a ocupar, pero permítame.
I get back to see me. I'll try to get it. Might be able to.
Mire, Pedro. Ahorita le va a poner un tac de soldadura aquí, mire, aquí en la esquina. y le va a poner uno acá por el lado de adentro y en la parte de atrás va a ser lo mismo. ¿Ok? Y aquí, no en el spring, que agarre nada más aquí el spring pad. Aquí y aquí atrás.
No, el spring pad.
No, nada más aquí el spring pad y el huevo aquí. Además, 2 puntos, uno aquí y uno allá. ¿Ok? Es lo que le va a hacer.
So pretty much what you just said was weld on each side.
Yeah, I'm just going to put a tag right here in the corner.
So why are you doing that?
What do you mean? What are you doing?
They want to know.
Yeah.
YouTube wants to know.
Oh, because that's going to be prevents this guy broke it again when he hit it in the curve or whatever.
And you think they're just breaking them because they're rough on their trailers, or the tilting back and forth causes a bunch of...
Yeah, I mean, it does make it beep anyways. I mean, that just...
Sí, pásale. Okay, well done.
Dale ahí porque...
It's already getting hot.
Antes de apretar.
Sí, antes de apretar la primera lo va a tener.
In the morning.
Huh?
In the morning.
Yeah, yesterday shit too. Wow, shit too.
Yeah, it was dreadful at 4 yesterday.
Oh man, yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's pretty much in the center right there.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm measuring it's at the 5'8", the 1.58. Maybe it's gonna be.
Oh, it's a stick welder?
Oh. Maybe it's gonna be. When you have to mailbox, but that'll be fine.
No, we didn't try to get in that Range Rover because we didn't want to mess it all up.
Yeah. I understand.
I mean, it's already kind of messed up.
Is it dead?
It might be dead now. Because Josh lost the original key for it, so he bought a new key, like a cheap key, I guess, because the key wouldn't start it. It was unlocking it, but it wouldn't start it. And now it won't start it, or now it won't even unlock it, so maybe the Range Rover's dead now. But yeah, well, he's not the only one in town.
He's not the only one in town. Still got old Carl Fleming. We're trying to get him to do some sort of shit. He's old as hell down there.
Yeah.
You talk to him today. You schedule something tomorrow. This is a real example. This happened to me. I've known the dude my whole life. This was years ago, but I called him and I had 3 cars. He was coming out the next day to cut keys on 3 or 4 different vehicles. We talked about it for a week, had the schedule set up. Next morning, he never showed up. So I called him. I was like, hey, Mr. Fleming, how are you? Oh, yeah, who is this? It's Bobby. Guess what I want to do for you? I said, you're supposed to be out here at 9 o'clock. I was seeing you everything's good. Act like you didn't know what the fuck I was talking about.
Yeah.
So I go, yeah, now I'm finding somebody different. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be a lot better.
Sure, you can't see anything. Doing it blind. Blind man.
Hey, Donnie's supposed to be messaging you about that lift.
Oh, yes?
Yeah.
Well, Donnie built all those buildings.
Yeah, he needs it. I seen the picture of the first thing he said. He said, man, that's a big bitch.
It's a huge bitch.
40 foot?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this fucking video of you way up.
Hey, you shouldn't have done that yet.
Huh? Now what?
Because he just welded those, but the springs aren't tight on the plate yet, so he just welded, there's a gap. You see? So he just welded over here. There's a gap right there because the U-bolts aren't tight.
No, you don't weld it.
No, you don't weld this. Only this and it's
Just only this is the pad.
There's no weld
You
this.
don't want to hear anything about this.
No, the spring.
I mean, the spring, you never welded it.
Never,
You
yeah.
welded it.
Yeah, that's what I thought he did.
Broken.
Yeah.
See? See it, my friend. Come on. I got a good teacher.
I know, I teach you good.
You see how close is?
Got it.
Okay. Look at this video. You see how close is the angle with the tire right there with that trailer? This is the right. It's a different design with this. So every time, I mean that's the tire. I mean that's the trailer with the 4 tires in the ground like that. So every time when it feel like this one, I mean I bet you that this angle he's sitting at the top of the back wheel.
Yeah.
So basically he pushed more of the back axle forward.
Yeah, it's not a good design, in my opinion, but...
It's not. It's hitting the tire, bro, all the time.
But each to their own, tomato, tomato.
Okay. Okay, Pedro, dale chance para ponerle las.
Okay, excuse you. Oh, sure. Are you want out? You don't want to take a nap?
Let's get it done.
Okay. that tighten the U-bolts? Come on. Let's go.
Actually, you need to keep more.
Wanna go higher?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Yeah, he brought the shorter one.
Yeah. What time was your phone, bro? That's your phone?
See where?
Very well.
Yeah. We just tighten it back up and call it a day. The hammer? You want me to hook?
You go on, bro. Just because the U-bolt is bent, this one.
Yeah.
It's bending like this. ¿Trae un martillo ahí usted, Pedro? ¿Dónde? ¿Trae un martillo en su troca?
Sí, paro martillo.
Un martillito por ahí. Pedro's gonna give you the hammer.
It's just because that one U-bolt's bent.
Yeah, this one.
It's hot, Way. Oh my gosh. You forgot? You okay?
You need to go to the emergency room.
I'll text Alicia that right now. You'll see her come running outside.
She said, why did you do it? Oh. It's not the OSHA approved, bro. This thing.
Yeah, it looks a little crazy there. Simple. Okay, and that's how we do it. Easy peasy and done. Oh shoot. What?
I'm gonna put the glass in that side. What is that? Pasa encima. Apo tiene bastante. Cámara, quiero.
I see it. Come on.
Right there.
This took just as long as it would take to replace an axle.
Yeah. I will see. I will see.
What?
I think everything's your boss. Just some
That's how it looks a little bit there.
yeah, just a little bit.
Hey, what year's that lift?
What yours what?
That lift.
2026, right? Watch out, baby.